The IonTech IT-750 under-sink alkaline water ionizer includes all necessary parts and installation components, a free pre-installed filter, a free pH testing kit, and a 2-year warranty. The under-sink unit measures width x height x depth, 8 inches by 12 inches by 5 inches and weighs 8.82 pounds, taking up minimal space. The countertop faucet contains an outer diameter of 2 inches and an inner diameter of 3/8 of an inch. The faucet is also equipped with 2 spouts, one for acidic and one for alkaline water, and a 5-button control panel so you can control everything from a convenient position. The IT-750 under-sink alkaline water filtration system converts any sink into a healthy and delicious alkaline drinking water dispenser by removing bacteria, chemicals, and other harmful impurities from the water and infusing it with energy, ions, antioxidants, and other beneficial elements. This smart device is easy to install and even easier to operate and maintain. It's as simple as pressing a button. It features an automatic cleansing alarm and a convenient post-use, 10-second, automatic cleaning function. The ionizer uses large platinum titanium electrolysis plates and has 6 water pH level options, 4 alkaline levels, 1 acidic level, and 1 pure filtered water level. The display light shines blue for alkaline water and red for acidic water. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Modern design. Compact under-sink alkaline water ionizer unit with sleek, sophisticated dual spout, 1 spout for alkaline and 1 for acidic. The faucet also features a soft-touch 5-button control panel and indicator lights. Number 2. Thorough filtration. IonTech IT-750 purifies regular tap water by removing toxins and pollutants like chlorine odor, pesticides, dirt, and other impurities, creating delicious and clean drinking water. Includes safety setting that reverts back to daily drinking water after each use to avoid accidental consumption of acidic water machine. Number 3. Adjustable ionizer function. 5 premium high-tech precise titanium plates coated with platinum for powerful electrolysis ionization process. 6 water pH levels, 4 alkaline levels, 1 acidic level, and 1 pure filtered level. Customize pH level up or down with just a few button presses. Number 4. Easy cleaning and maintenance. Under-sink alkaline water filtration system automatically engages a 10-second electrolysis chamber cleaning after every use. When in need of a more thoroughly clean, the ionizer will alert you, and by the press of the clean button a 2-minute cleaning cycle will clean the electrolysis chamber for you. This machine will also alert you, with a light, when the filter needs to be changed. Number 5. Items included. This easy-to-install ionizer also comes with 1 dual faucet dispenser, activated carbon filter, ACF1, pre-installed, water pH at home testing kit, all necessary parts for installation, hoses, clamp, wrench, T-connectors, etc., 2-year warranty. And so much more. Some common questions. Question number 1. How many plates does this unit have and how often do they do to be replaced? Answer. The IT-750 contains 5 plates that never need to be replaced. Question number 2. I have an RO system under my sink. Can I connect the outgoing water hose from the RO to the IonTech water alkaline ionizer? Answer. Yes, you can connect to water going into the machine. Please make sure that RO water has TDS 10 to 20 in order for the machine to produce alkaline water properly. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.